Are you getting just a little bit sick of all those software subscriptions nibbling away at your bank account? Well, in this explainer, we are going to break down 5 incredibly powerful and, yep, completely free AI tools that can step in and replace the software you're probably paying for right now. I mean, seriously, are you getting tired of seeing those monthly bills stack up? You are definitely not alone. It kind of feels like everything has a reoccurring fee attached to it these days, right? Well, today, we're going to look at 5 specific game-changing tools that can put some of that money back in your pocket. And I want to be super clear here. This isn't just a list of overhyped AI toys. Nope. These are genuinely useful, practical tools that I've personally put through their paces. And the best part? You can start using every single one of them for free, like right now. Okay, let's dive right in. First up, we've got Remove.bg. This little gem tackles a super common and, let's be honest, often really boring task, getting perfect cutouts from your photos. So just think about the old way you had to do this, probably in Photoshop. You grab the magic wand tool, you zoom way, way in, trying to manually erase all those little bits around the edges. I mean, it took forever. The AI way, you just drag your image, drop it, and the background literally just vanishes, instantly. And the process itself could not be any easier. I'm serious, there's zero learning curve. You drag an image onto the website, and you download the result. That is the entire process. It's not just a tool, it's like a secret weapon for making social media posts or YouTube thumbnails when you're in a hurry. And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? It perfectly illustrates that massive shift in effort. It's not just about saving a few minutes, it's about completely getting rid of a frustrating bottleneck in your creative process. Going from that slow, careful process to something that's done in 2 seconds, well, that's a total game changer. All right, next up, we have a smart writing helper that honestly might already be installed on your computer. We're talking about Notion AI. It's built right into the app that so many of us already use for our notes and documents. So the whole idea here is integration. It's so smart. Instead of paying for a separate service like Grammarly or some other writing assistant, you get those key features right inside Notion. That means no more switching between apps and no more breaking your concentration. Now, it handles all the usual stuff you'd expect. You know, fixing grammar, changing the tone from formal to casual. But the real magic, the thing that makes it so powerful, is that last point. Its ability to structure your messy notes. For me, that is the absolute killer feature. Just picture it. You just got out of a meeting and you've got a page that's just a total brain dump of random thoughts and ideas. All you have to do is highlight that entire mess, ask Notion AI to turn it into action items, and bam! In 5 seconds, you have a perfectly structured plan. That's just an incredible boost to your productivity. Okay, tool number 3 is called Clipdrop, and you should really think of this one as your new pocket photo editor. It's this awesome multi-purpose toolkit for all those little photo fixes you need to make on the go. You know, that Swiss Army knife analogy is just perfect. This thing is not a one-trick pony. It handles a whole bunch of different tasks that normally you'd need a handful of different and often paid apps to get done. And just check out this list of things it can do, and this is all on the free plan. You can remove stuff from your photos, completely change the lighting, make a low-res image look sharp, generate new backgrounds. I mean, it's a shockingly powerful set of tools for something that costs you nothing to start using. So here's a perfect real-world example of how you'd use it. Let's say you take a really cool photo of your desk, but there are all these ugly, messy cables in the background. With Clipdrop, you just paint over them with your finger, and poof, they're gone in like 30 seconds. It's an instant visual upgrade for any photo you're about to post. All right, our 4th tool is one that could fundamentally change the way you find answers online. This is Perplexity AI, and it's all about doing research without all the endless scrolling and clicking through pages of search results. So the most important thing to understand here is how it fixes the biggest problems with the free version of ChatGPT. You know how ChatGPT's knowledge is a bit old and it never tells you where it got its information? Well, Perplexity searches the web in real time. And this is the crucial part. It gives you the links to prove where it found the info. And that little difference transforms it from just being a chatbot into a genuine research assistant. You're getting up-to-the-minute information, you can instantly check its sources to make sure they're legit, and it even summarizes the key points for you. It's an amazing way to cut through all the online noise and get to the facts fast. And here's a great little stress test for it. Ask it about something that changes all the time, like the latest updates to YouTube's monetization policy. You'll get the main points, complete with sources, in just a few seconds. Think of all the time that saves you from having to read through 10 different blog posts to find the answer yourself. And for our 5th and final tool, let's turn to a name you probably already know, but one that has quietly added some seriously game-changing AI features. We are talking about Canva's magic tools, which give you instant pro-level design Now, you might already be using Canva, but have you seen what they've rolled into the free version? Background removal, a magic eraser to get rid of unwanted objects in a photo, and even a basic AI image generator. Not that long ago, these were features you absolutely had to pay for in separate apps. And here's the bottom line. For most of us, and for most of our everyday projects, social media graphics, presentations, whatever, this is more than good enough. It genuinely means you don't need to pay for things like stock photo sites or other niche design tools anymore. So let's do a super quick recap. For instant background removal that just works, you've got Remove.bg. To finally bring some order to those chaotic notes, there's Notion AI. For all those quick photo cleanups and edits, Clipdrop is your new best friend. If you need fast answers with sources you can actually trust, Perplexity AI has you covered. And for simple, all-in-one design, Canva's new AI tools are right there waiting for you. Which, of course, brings us to the final and maybe the most important question of all. After seeing what these free tools can actually do, which subscription are you going to cancel first?